Because every dog is different, we think their food should be too. Tails.com makes food that's nutritionally tailored just for your dog, at high street prices. We carefully mix ingredients to create a unique blend, delivered to your door every month at no extra cost. Make your dog a Tails.com dog. Go to Tails.com now. Enter code TailsTV for your 2-week free trial.
Has his last look. And the first of his shortlisted dogs is the Australian cattle dog and the bearded collie and the Briard, the German shepherd dog, the Polish lowland sheepdog, the Pyrenean mountain dog and the Samoyed, the Shetland sheepdog and the Pembrokeshire Welsh Corgi. Thank you very much to those other best of breed winners. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as they leave the ring. So the shortlisted dogs move round the ring to the top. And I know Graham's going to ask them to move one more time. So we start with the Australian cattle dog, the selection of Richard Kinsey. This is a female, number 925. And the bearded collie, selected by Eileen Sagai. This is another female, 1044. Now it's the turn of the Briard. Our judge was Meg Pennell Carpenter, and this is another female, 1300. And the German shepherd dog. Our judge was Susie Barnes. This is another female, number 1545. So interestingly, the first 4 shortlisted dogs are all female. The remaining 5 are all males, so we have an almost even split there too. Now it's the turn of the Polish lowland sheepdog. Robert Hitchcock is our judge today. This is the first of the males, number 1681. So the second shortlisted dog, selected by Richard Kinsey, the Pyrenean mountain dog. This is a male, number 1694. Another male, this is a Samoyed, number 1742, sent through by Joe Smith. The fourth of the 5 males, this is the Shetland Sheepdog, number 1780, the choice of Robin Newhouse. And the final of the 9 shortlisted dogs in tonight's pastoral group, this is the Cardigan Welsh Corgi, another male, number 1931. think Graham's going to have one last look at these 9 shortlisted dogs, and I think we can have the boards in place, please. Very soon we're going to know who the first of our finalists is at Windsor 2016. Graham takes that one last look. He's made his decision, and the winner of the Pastoral group, Windsor 2016, goes to the Pyrenean Mountain Dog, number 1694. Group 2 goes to the Samoyed, number 1742. And third in the Pastoral group goes to the Polish Lowland Sheepdog, number 1681. And fourth in the group goes to the Pembroke Welsh, the Cardigan Welsh Corgi, I do apologise, number 1931. Congratulations to the Shetland Sheepdog, the German Shepherd Dog, the Briard, the Bearded Collie and the Australian Cattle Dog. But huge congratulations to the winner of the Pastoral group, the Pyrenean Mountain Dog. The winner of the Pastoral group, Windsor 2016, the Pyrenean Mountain Dog, the Samoyed, the Polish Lowland Sheepdog and the Cardigan Welsh Corgi. Thank you.